Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. If you're tired of dealing with dust, dirt, and grime in your car, these wipes are a game changer. Each canister comes packed with 90 convenient lint-free wipes designed for both your car's interior and exterior. Not only are these wipes great for quickly wiping down surfaces, but they also work wonders as a dust remover and upholstery cleaner. The car vinyl cleaner in these wipes can tackle even the toughest ground and dirt, leaving your dash, upholstery, and carpet looking like new. What's more, these car detailing wipes won't dry out, damage, or fade your car's interior. And the best part? They're lint-free, so you won't have to worry about any pesky fibers being left behind. Plus, they won't leave your hands feeling greasy. So, if you're ready to keep your car looking fresh and clean, be sure to check out the link in the description to grab a canister of Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome car care tips and reviews. Happy driving!